Well, hey there, gang, and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I did another survey asking which food product you'd like to learn about, and guess which one won this time? The winner was Smuckers. It's such a fun brand, and you know what? With a name like Smuckers, it's gotta be good. I'm gonna be using the Smuckers jam to be making a Monte Cristo Casserole. Get ready for this. I need to start with 3 cups of half and half. I'm just gonna pour it into a blender. A whole dozen eggs. About a half cup of powdered sugar. Teaspoon of vanilla and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Blend it together. Smuckers is old. It began in 1897 by a man named J.M. Smucker. Now I'm going to layer a baking dish with some brioche bread. I'm just going to put them on the bottom and kind of lean them against each other like that. I'm going to pour half of that egg mixture on top of that bread. It started in Ohio when he would sell apple cider and apple butter out of a horse-drawn wagon. I'm gonna put on some smoked turkey, a nice layer of that on top. Some shredded Swiss cheese and some sliced ham. Another layer of bread. And then the rest of that egg mixture goes on the top. He built a cider mill in Orrville, Ohio, and that's still where his company is to this day. I actually used to live close to Orrville, Ohio, and have visited the Smuckers factory. It's so cool! Okay, well, I'm gonna cover it with foil, and I'm gonna be baking it in a 350 degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the foil and bake it for another 15 minutes, uncovered. The company expanded in the early 20th century, and its apple butter became part of the military rations during World War II. I'm using my strawberry Smuckers to make a compote to put on top of this Monte Cristo casserole. I need 1/2 of a cup inside of a pot. 2 tablespoons of butter, small container of applesauce, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Let's heat this up. In the 1960s, Smuckers started making other products like ketchup and peanut butter. Actually, Smuckers took over the Jif company, and they still run Jif to this day. Looks ready, and I'm ready to serve myself a piece. Other brands Smuckers acquired includes Folgers, Crisco, and Magic Shell. It's magic! Add some of that compote on the top and a little powdered sugar. The Smuckers company is so cool. It's been featured as one of the top 100 companies to work for the last 20 years. Oh, Smuckers, I love you! Ready to give it a try. Monte Cristo Casserole. Using that Smuckers. I definitely taste all the elements of a Monte Cristo sandwich, which I absolutely love. And that compote really brings out this dish. Might actually be my favorite part of the dish is that compote aftertaste. This is wonderful. You know what? Making creative dishes makes me happy, and you can make them too in your home. Thanks for watching me here on Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, and thanks for voting. I love learning about food products, and there will be more food products in the future. See you next time. Bye. I always turn the TV up really loud when a Smuckers commercial comes on. That's my jam!